Let me continue on this. Sorry, we'll stop for a second. Where I'm at, right here. And just hold your fingers right here, it's stationary, and then you can draw, press, and then you leap it up. Like you give a little bit pressures and then leap it up. And when you're doing a couple times, you will get a hang of it really easy. What's everyone doing today? So excited today we are doing this. We're finally. Hold on. Don't move your hand. Don't move my hand, baby. Okay, yeah, sorry. And you can continue doing its really cute detail. So many different way. Okay, so now I just pause for a second. So if you decide to do your nails, like each line will be different pigment, you are going to cure this for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. It depends on the lamp. And then you can rub the pigments on first and dust it off and move on to the next one. So if you want to get all of them are the same colors like ombre, then you're going to draw them off first. And then you are going to cure and rub your pigment. So two different way you want to do. For instance, if you want to be this stripe, like this line right here, to be yellow, and next one you want to be hot pink. So you have to rub the pigment on this one first, and then draw another ones, and then rub a different pigments on. Because then if you are doing this one, all of them, and then you rub different pigments on, the pigments might contaminate on it. So I hope it makes sense. No. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Sometimes I think of one thing and I don't know how I can describe it. So don't kill me. Just ask again if you're not sure. Like, hello, what did you just say? You know? So two way, you can draw everything you like, different sort that you like, and then you are going back and rub all the pigment. But if you decide to each line will be doing a different colors, and you rub it right now. So it's base, color, top, color gels, top. Yes. Snuggle. Yes, yes, yes. You are correct. I'm doing two techniques right here. I do one with just a regular gel painting, and I do the other one with gel painting, which is right here, gel painting with neon pigment. So neon pigment, yours going to do is yours color, two colors, shiny top coat, gel painting, pigment, and then no white top coat. All right, so if I'm happy with this, we are going to cure for this one for 15 seconds, no longer than 15 seconds, because you want, and then it depends on your lamp. Okay, if your lamp is like cures really fast. You don't want your gel painting to be completely, you don't want the gel painting to be complete dry, because then it will not pick up your pigment so well. So in a little bit, I'm going to put the top coat on this. So this one, let's recap this. So this one, when you're doing the gel painting with any of the gel painting bottles or the jars, right? So you're going to do a base, 2 color of the gel polish, and then you're doing a matte top coat, right? Colors, and the matte top coat, and then the gel painting, right? And then crystal placement, and then you do top coat again. But you do a no wipe top coat. Either you do no wipe top coat on all of them. I just want to leave the matte. So then I'm going to fill the no wipe top coat, the shiny top coat on my detailed gel painting here. So then it keep the background is nice and matte. Because you never know, the clients will love the matte finish, but then they want shiny designs gel painting on it. But if the clients don't want the matte, they want all shiny, is even better, you know. So I'm going to pick yellows, some yellow. All right. And of course, I am going to use my number 13 brush. It's single brush. And I think it's super cute and really compact. Also, it's special price discount for this one as well. So our thing is all of us should get one of this because it's so much easier to do and to pick up. And I have only one, but I can use with so many colors. Just make sure you have piece of papers, and then you can wipe up all of the pigment first before you pick the next one, okay? So you can do, hold on, sorry. Move this one before pigment. Right here, where I'm at. Right here. And keep in mind, I already top coat my backgrounds already with the no wipe shiny top coat. I would not using a matte because matte will still stain your pigments on it. So you can feel free to try it, but I'm not suggest on it because a lot of you will ask and curious, and feel free to test it out. All right, wipe it off, and then keep in mind the pigments will not stain really hard on the part you already did. I'm gonna blend it to get some ombre look. All right, where I'm at. And pick up the pink. All right, so I'm gonna blend a little bit to make it looks like an ombre, if you're seeing that. Right, so now I'm gonna do it one more time and pick up my cover bright yellow. Wipe off my brush. Thank you, Dom.
Thank you, Flower Girl Rain.
All right. So now let's move this one on these sides because we don't want, be careful because if you see me yesterday, I spilled everything, but I clean it up good. So I can continue a video today. It's happened though, it happens. Sometimes I spill whole entire tray of crystal, it's normal. I dust it off with my Nancy Corns. This is she with me for 3 years already, and she would dust all the pigments and anything off with no like contaminates or anything at all. So if you like it so much, and if the client just wants it like that, top coat and cure for 60 seconds and good to go. But if the clients just want some crystal, we're gonna put some crystals on it, but we're not going to cover everything. We just like put some crystals on and probably right here and leave the rest beauty like that. Okay, so here is, if you want this first,